Hello there students, welcome to new session. This is Firdaus Alimian. Today I'm going to teach you trigonometric ratios of some special triangles. Okay, when we say special, it means we have two special triangles. First one, when the degrees of the angles of triangle, it means we have three angles, 30, 60 and 90. Okay, in this case, look, we are going to find the trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, tangent, okay, of 30 and 60 degrees. So sine 30, okay, it means sine of angle B is equal to opposite our hypotenuse, okay? Am I right? Did you remember? Opposite our hypotenuse. What's the opposite side of angle 30? It means here, A, okay? A, our hypotenuse is the in front of right angle, okay, 2a. When cancel a and a is equal to 1 over 2. It means sine 30 degrees always 1 over 2. Cosine of 30 degrees is equal to adjacent our hypotenuse. Okay, what's the adjacent side of angle 30? A, this side. A is square root of 3. Our hypotenuse is 2a. We can cancel a with a, so the answer is square root of 3 over 2. So cosine of 30 degrees always square root of 3 over 2. What is tangent of 30 degree? Tangent of 30 degree is opposite our adjacent, okay? Opposite our adjacent. It means what's opposite of 30? A. What's adjacent? A square root of 3. So we can cancel them. 1 over square root of 3, okay? And also we can multiply a square root of 3 both to the denominator and numerator. So it becomes a square root of 3 over a square root of 3 times a square root of 3 is equal to 3. So the tangent of 30 degree is equal to 1 over square root of 3 over a square root of 3 over 3. So let me find sine, cosine and tangent of angle 60. Sine 60 is also opposite of our hypotenuse. What's opposite angle of 60 degree? It means here a square root of 3 over what's hypotenuse? 2a. So we can cancel them. It equals to square root of 3 over 2. What's cosine of 60 degree? Is what the formula is adjacent over hypotenuse, the formula of cosine. So cosine of 60 is equal to adjacent side. What's the adjacent side of 60? Here, okay? This is always hypotenuse, but the adjacent and opposite side, according to the degrees, it changes, okay? So in here, adjacent of 60 degrees, angle side A, okay? A over 2a, hypotenuse. A cancels with a, it equals to 1 over 2. And also, tangent of 60 degrees equal to opposite over adjacent. What's the opposite of 60 is equal to? A square root of 3 over adjacent. Adjacent is a, okay? So a cancels with a is equal to square root of 3, okay? So sine 30 is equal to cosine 60 because both sine 30 and cosine 60 is equal to 1 over 2. And also cosine 30 is equal to sine 60. Sine 60 is equal to square root of 3 over 2. And also cosine 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Sine 30 and cosine 60 is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, did you understand? And also we have another special triangle of 90, 45, 45. So in order to find the sine, cosine and tangent of these angles, we are acting like the previous question, okay? Acting same with the previous special triangle. Sine 45 is equal to opposite our hypotenuse. It means a over a square root of 2. A cancels with a, equals to 1 over square root of 2. And also we can multiply numerator and denominator of this fraction by square root of 2, because we have to get one natural number in the denominator. Square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is equal to 2. So square root of 2 over 2. Even just this answer is also enough. It means they are equal to each other, okay? Cosine 45 is equal to, what's cosine? Adjacent over hypotenuse. It means a over a square root of 2. Again, the same thing. The answer will be square root of 2 over 2. So tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent, okay? What's opposite of 45? A. What's adjacent of 45? Also a. So tangent of 45 degree is equal to 1. And also the same, if you're going to find the sine, cosine, and tangent of this angle, so we get the same answers, okay? Then we can write sine 45 is equal to cosine 45 degree, okay? Look, both of them are same answers. It means the square root of 2 over 2. And also tangent, okay? Tangent of 45 is equal to 1. Also, cotangent of 45 equals to 1, because cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So, what's adjacent? A. What's opposite? A. A over A is equal to 1. So, sine 45 and cosine 45 are 45 is equal to square root of 2 over 2, and also tangent and cotangent of 45 degrees equal to 1. Did you understand, boys? Okay. And also, this is a chart for sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, that you have to remember these values, okay? And also, in the previous page, I have taught you that how to find these degrees, okay? It means sine 30, we said, is equal to cosine 60, 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. And also, sine 45 and cosine 45, both of them are equal. And also tangent and cotangent of 45 is equal, okay? Sine of 60 and cosine of 30 are equal. Square root of 3 over 2 and square root of 3 over 2, okay? Remember them. Okay, let me find these expressions, okay? How can you find the expressions? Look, 4 times sine of 30. At the previous page, I have taught you sine of 30 is 1 over 2 times tangent of 60. I have taught you the square root of 3 over tangent of 30. What was tangent of 30? A square root of 3 over 3 times cosine of 45. What was cosine of 45? A square root of 2 over what? 2. Then you easily can simplify them, okay? Cancels 2 square root of 3 over, okay? The square root of 3 times the square root of 2 over 3 times 2, 6. We can write like this, 2 square root of 3 over 1 times. We have to reverse the second fraction, 6 over the square root of 3 times the square root of 2. Then we can cancel the square root of 3 with each other. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 12 square root of 12 over square root of 2. We can multiply square root of 2 to the both numerator and denominator. So we get 12 square root of 2 over square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is equal to 2. 1 times 2, 2. 6 times 2, 12 is equal to 6 square root of 2, okay? The answer of this expression. And also, 4 plus 2 times, what was sine of 30 the previous page? 1 over 2 over cotangent of 30. You have to remember, this is a square root of 3. So, 4 plus 2 cancels with 2. 4 plus 1 over square root of 3. So, 5 over square root of 3. So, we can multiply both sides of the fraction, both numerator and denominator, by square root of 3. It means by denominator. So 5 times square root of 3 over, when we divide each other, it will become 3. So the answer is 5 square root of 3 over 3. Okay, dear students, this was our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel.